Welcome to today's maths class, and here we have a complex problem of integration x plus cot x into cot square x dx. To solve this, we will start by substituting x plus cot x is equals to u. Now we have to do the differentiation both sides with respect to x. What we will get, d dx of x plus cot x is equals to du by dx. Now for the first term is d dx of x plus d dx of cot x is equals to du by dx. Now this will be 1 and this will be minus cosec square x. So let us write that 1 and this will be minus cosec square x is equals to du by dx. Now we already know that cot square x plus 1 is equals to cosec square x. So we can write from here that 1, this cosec square x we will take to the left hand side of the equation. So this will be 1 minus cosec square x, and this cot square x will go to the right hand side of the equation. So this will be cot square x. So this will be 1 minus cosec square x will be minus cot square x is equal to du by dx. So from here we can write that minus cot square x dx, this dx we can take here, is equals to du on the right side. So cot square x dx is equals to minus du. Now what we will do, we will substitute this in the given expression. So what it will become, we have considered x plus cot x as u. So this will become u, and cot square x dx, that is minus du. This will be du and there will be minus outside the integration. So this we can write as u square by 2 because the power is 1 here. So after doing the integration it will be 1 plus 1, and at the denominator also it will be 1 plus 1, that is u square by 2 plus c, where c is a constant. Now this u we have already considered x plus cot x. So this will be x plus cot x whole square divided by 2 plus c, and this is the answer.